Hey guys, today I came up with a new recipe that is Namak Para, and this is very yummy snacks. You can have it with tea, coffee or anything else in morning, evening, whenever you like. So without wasting so much of time, let's get in the video and start cooking. So for this, firstly I am taking maida, that is all purpose flour, and this is the amount I have taken, and in this I am mixing hot refined oil and wait for few seconds so that your hands will not burn. And in this I am adding ajwain. 1 to 2 tablespoons of ajwain is enough. After that I am adding salt as per taste. Now I am adding soda, or you can add baking powder if you don't have soda. So half tablespoon of soda is good. Now mixing all the ingredients together, mix it well and very gently with nicely hand. If you mix the ingredients very well, it becomes more crispy. Your namak para will become more crispy. So mix it like this. I'm using my both hands. Now after mixing it well, I'm going to make dough out of it. So add water one by one, little amount of water at once. Now making dough out of it. Make sure your dough is little bit tight. Now this process is done at this point, and I am going to take a cotton cloth, wet cotton cloth, and cover it. Now I am taking a small amount of dough and making small balls so that we make chapati like thing. This is the amount I have taken. This is the size I have made, and taking it on back side of thali so that I can easily cut it. With the help of knife, I am cutting this like this. You can make any design like a square, rectangle or anything. I am making like rhombus like design. So firstly I am cutting it like this, straight. Now bending the thali, and like this I am cutting this in diagonal shape so that it makes like rhombus. So as you can see, that very easy process is this. Now it's done, and I am taking it down on newspaper or anything else, and like this I am making all the namak para. Now this part is done. Now I am going to deep fry it. In a kadhai I am taking refined oil. Make sure your oil is enough so that it will deep fry it. Make sure your flame is on high at first, and after that you have to keep flame on low to medium. Wait till it becomes golden brown. Stir it very gently. Now this is the texture which we want, and at this point I am taking it out in newspaper, or you can take it out on tissue paper so that it absorbs the excess oil. Now you can see that this is very easy process, and you can have it as a snacks and mug it at any time. So if you like the recipe, please press the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel for more updates and more recipes. So till then, bye bye and enjoy the recipe.